So what is mean by a tangent normally, do you know?
Sir, please repeat.
What is mean by a tangent, do you know?
Yes, sir. A line that is drawn from the surface of a cycle form a circle.
Surface of the circle, it's not a little bit
Outer surface. Circumference
huh?
means
Simple.
sir, it will
Whenever
be like a straight line touching a point on the circle outside the circle.
yes. At one point, if it is touching, in case of the actually we learned previously, tangent is nothing but a line, a straight line touching the circle at only one point is called a tangent. And if it is passing through the 2 points, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If it is passing through the 2 points, then it is called as a uh,
It will be a line.
suppose line only. Suppose if it is given to you, uh, is this my presentation is visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Which one is visible? ब्लैकबोर्ड वाला विजिबल है? टू
Yes, sir. Blackboard.
ब्लैकबोर्ड वाला विजिबल है?
Yes, sir.
So that one you see here, whenever you take into consider a circle, if you are taking into consider, normally this you learned previously, a line which is touching the circle at only one point, touching the circle at only one point, this line is called usually tangent normally. This you have learned. If a line is passing through the 2 points, line is passing through the 2 points on the circle, then it is called, do anyone know? This also you have learned. Okay.
Sir,
It is called as a,
chord or something.
it is called as a secant. This is called as a secant. Is it okay? This one you know it.
Yes, sir.
And when a point of this tangent is touching the circle at a one point, then this point is called as a point of contact. Now we are going to learn about the tangent and a normal. What is meant by a tangent and normal to the curve, any curve? Here previously you learned about the circle only. Now if any if you are taking any curve, if you are taking into consider, this presentation is visible now. Tangent
No,
and
sir.
normal to the curve. Huh?
Sir, visible नहीं है.
No. It is not visible to you now.
Yes, sir. Presentation is not visible.
The screen is still visible.
White one is visible now, sir.
Huh?
White present means the
That
white screen is visible.
screen वाला visible है ना? Tangent and normal to the curve.
Yes, sir.
So here let us see here. Through this presentation you are going to learn it very clearly. See here, a curve is taken into consider here. So let P is a point here. Whenever you take into consider, P is a point on the curve Q. P is a point on the curve, and Q is a neighboring point on the point. The neighboring point is nothing but near to. Is it visible to you? This figure is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Your presentation is not visible. Saying, please click on that presentation where I am doing, so that you will be able to see. not visible. Santam is saying not visible. Wait for a while.
Sir, which one means white sheet?
One figure is there,
Where
tangent and normal to
one
the.
like graph type.
Yes.
Yes, that one is visible, sir.
So why for the others are not visible? Visible, na? Okay, let us see here. So this line is called as a three accounts joined. This line is called as a now secant. Tangent. So limiting position of the secant of the curve is known as a tangent. Limiting position of the secant of the curve is known as a tangent. And let us call the curve name is y is equals to f of x. And p is any point on the curve, and let m is a slope of the tangent to this point. So therefore, slope of the tangent to the curve y is equals to f of x can be found out at a particular point p x comma y by doing the differentiation. So suppose if that curve name is given to you as a y is equals to f of x. So y if you are doing with respect to x. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So now here, if you are doing that curve equation doing the differentiation means y is equals to f of x. If you consider, if you do the differentiation of that one with respect to x, and if you substitute that point in that means that at that particular point, at what point you are going to get, that point should be on the curve. Whatever the point you are taking, that should be on the curve. Okay. So whenever you take into consider here, okay, is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, class wait. So here, whenever you take into consider here, the slope of the tangent can be found out to the curve y is equals to f of x at a point p of x x1 by 1 and m is equals to dy by dx. So that means slope can be found out. Slope if you consider as a m, and that slope can be found out dy by dx by doing the differentiation with respect to x. So it is called as a slope of the tangent to the curve. This is the slope of the tangent to this curve. So now equation of the line passing through that point find out karna means equation of the tangent if you want to find out. Normally you know that equation of a line passing through the particular point and having a slope is the y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So the equation of the tangent to the curve is, the point is here, the point is, what is the point here? A comma b is the point. What is the point here? A comma b. So y minus b is equals to slope is dy by dx at the point p into x minus a. So this gives to you equation to the tangent. So y minus b is equals to f dash of a into x minus a. This point did you understand here? If the tangent to the curve y is equals to f of x makes an angle of theta with the positive x-axis. If it is makes an angle of with the positive x-axis in the positive direction of x-axis, then the slope of the tangent will be equals to dy by dx is equals to tan theta. Normally, if that this is obviously you know slope m is equals to tan theta when the theta is equals to. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
It is audible, na?
Yes, sir.
So now whenever m is equals to tan theta, you are going to get, simple thing is that one curve will be given to you. For that curve, some y is equals to curve equation will be given to you. And for that curve, tangent find out करना है तो differentiate करना है at particular point will be given. that point should be substituted in that. It's very simple here. Okay. So tangent makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, means then the slope of the tangent is dy by dx is equals to tan theta. So this is a very simple thing. Okay. Is it audible to you? So now let us see the curve y is equals to f of x, and the equation of the tangent to the curve is y minus b is equals to f dash of a into x minus a. If that slope is equals to 0, slope is equals to slope for which equation slope will be equals to 0? For which equation slope will be equals to 0? Equation of x-axis slope of the x-axis, what is the slope of x-axis? 0. So since the slope of x-axis is 0, the line which is parallel to the x-axis is 0. That is nothing but if the tangent, whatever we are finding, its slope is equals to 0 is nothing but, if the tangent slope is equals to 0 is nothing but, then that curve is, whatever you are taking, the tangent to that curve is horizontal line, which is parallel to the x-axis. If the slope is equals to 0. If the slope is not defined, then that equation of the tangent, what you will get, y is equals to b, because slope is 0. Y minus b is equal to 0 into something. From that y is equals to b you are going to get. If that slope does not exist, that is nothing but, if you see here, line is parallel to y-axis. So that line is parallel to y-axis. Then the equation will be equals to x is equals to a. Equation of the tangent is x is equals to a. So now let us go first. While solving the problems a little bit easily, you can understand here, but you need to see that what is meant by a tangent. Now you know that normal to a curve is a line. Normal is nothing but, what is meant by normal? Normal to the curve is nothing but here, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait here. I am not able to see. Okay. Now here, a normal to the curve is nothing but a line that is perpendicular to the tangent. If tangent होता है ना, tangent को perpendicular line draw कर दिया तो at that particular point that is called as a normal. Okay. It is called as normal. So now you see this curve, and P at that line L is called as a tangent at the point P, and P is called as what? What is P called? Point of contact. Point P is called as point of contact. So now at that point, if you draw the perpendicular line to the L, at that particular point, if you draw the perpendicular line to the L, then that line is called as this line, like this. N is called as a normal to the curve. Curve को normal बोलते हैं. And you know that product of the two perpendicular lines slopes, product of the slopes of two perpendicular lines is -1. So the normal का slope find out करना है तो slope of the normal is equals to -1 by f dash of a. F dash of a will give you the slope of the line L, line tangent. Okay, and -1 by f dash of a, why it is taken? Because you know the slopes of the perpendicular two lines, if you are taking into consider, the product of their slopes will be is equals to -1. Since the product of the two slopes is equals to -1 slopes, if you are you'll get it. So that's why the slope of the normal you will get it as a -1 by f dash of a. So the product of the slopes is equals to product of the two perpendicular lines whenever you take into consider their slopes. So therefore equation what you get, same point, y minus b is equals to the slope of that line into x minus a. That's all. This is the equation of the normal. Did you get my point? समझ में आया ना? So you can consider on simplification y minus b into f dash of a plus x minus a. So this is the thing what is meant by a. So dy by dx, if you find out, does not exist is nothing but that normal is parallel to the x-axis. That is parallel to the x-axis, and the equation is y is equals to b. If that normal slope is equals to 0, if you got normal slope, then it is parallel to the y-axis, then the equation is x is equals to a. The simple thing you can remember that I am going to show the problems through the problems here. It is easily you can understand. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us see the actually exercise problems. Whenever you see that, it is an easy task to you to understand here. I'm going to show the exercise problems to you now. Come to the this presentation, another presentation I'm giving to you, blackboard wala. Now is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
See here, very simple. Whenever you take into consider, through the problems easily you can understand. Let us see the exercise 6.3. Simple thing is what here, equation slope find out karna ante second problem you see here. First problem little bit easy, second a little bit difficult to you, that's why I'll explain to you. Now the question is given to you, find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Curve is given to you, y is equals to x minus 1 by x minus 2. For this you need to find out the tangent. How this curve will be, it is not necessary to draw, but you have to find out at x is equals to 10. At x is equals to 10 find out karna. So first you find out dy by dx. Simple thing is that dy by dx is equals to, so u by uv method hai, x minus 2 into 1 minus 0 minus x minus 1 into 1 minus 0 divided by x minus 2 whole square. This is dy by dx. So on simplification, what do you get? This one is equals to x minus 2 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square. So x will get cancelled. So you are going to get this is equals to minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So now here you need to find out the slope. So slope of that this tangent, whenever you take into consider, slope of the tangent to the curve y is equals to x minus 1 by x minus 2 at x is equals to 10. What is that? Is equals to dy by dx at x is equals to 10. So that means minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square at x is equals to 10. 10 you have to substitute here in the place of x. Okay, so which is equals to, is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
here what, just if you are substituting minus 1 by 10 minus 2 whole square, so we are going to get it as a minus 1 by 64. So minus 1 by 64 is the slope. If you want to find out equation, suppose for this question only, the question is asking you to find out the equation. Okay, suppose if it is asking you to equation of the tangent, what you have to do, can anyone say? X is equals to 10 substitute karo in this equation mein. So y value you are going to get, y is equals to 9 by, what do you get? 8. So that is nothing but a curve hai, a tangent hai. So where this, suppose the question may be asked to you, once I have asked last year question as a ye de diya hai, because you need to understand the question whatever it is asking to you. Y is equals to x minus 1 by x minus 2 at x is equals to 10. Find the point of contact whenever I asked you, what do you have to do? At x is equals to 10, there is a tangent. Can you say this point of contact? Is it audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is that point of contact?
Sir, what you said is not clear just now.
This point
Breaking,
of
sir.
contact, this point of contact I am asking. What is that point of contact? Suppose this is a equation, the a curve है, y is equals to x minus 1 by a curve मान लो, suppose, and this is a tangent. इसका slope we found out minus 1 by 64. But if this is intersecting at a point C, find the coordinates of point C. Simple. X value 10 means in this 10 if you substitute, y value what you are getting? 9 by 8. So this point will be equals to 10 comma 9 by 8. That's all. Suppose if the equation of the tangent is asking, you have to use the formula of y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So the point is here x1 y1 place में, or you can write it as a y minus b is equals to m into x minus a, where the point a comma b is the point of contact. Here a comma b place में क्या है? 10 comma 9 by 8. So y minus ये 10, here 9 by 8. Y minus 9 by 8 is equals to slope. How much you got? Minus 1 by 64. So minus 1 by 64 into x minus 10. This equation, if you find out equation, here the question is not asking in this place equation, but if you need to find out the equation of a tangent, then you need to find out like this. Is it clear to you? ये समझ में आया? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. If you are, means that point if you are taking into consider. Next problem is whenever fourth problem, this second problem, okay, third one is easy, fourth you can do it. All the problems like this only. Fifth one is given to you, x is equals to a cos cube theta, cos cube theta sin cube theta is given to you. You may get confused this problem. This also I will explain to you. See here. So what is the question given to you here? X is equals to a cos cube theta and y is equals to a sin cube theta. Now find out the slope of the normal. Here not it is tangent. Slope of the normal you have to find out. At x is equals to, sorry, not x here, theta. At theta is equals to pi by 4. At the place of pi by 4 you need to find out the normal. So first thing is that you need to find out here d, what do you have to find out? Dy by dx only you have to find out. And what you will get dy by dx find out करना है, तो ये पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म है. dx by d theta find out, dy by d theta find out, and from the dy by dx you are going to get, and dy by dx whatever you will get there, you substitute the theta value as a pi by 4. So what do you get here? Dx by d theta, dx by d theta is equals to, this is 3a cos square theta, and cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So then you are going to get it as a minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. So dy by d theta is equals to 3a sin square theta and sin theta differentiation is cos theta. You are going to get it as a 3a sin square theta cos theta. Okay, so now what do you get here? Dy by dx we need. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta by dx by d theta. This one by this you have to do it. So that you are going to get is dy by d theta is equals to 3a sin square theta cos theta by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. So 3a will get cancelled. Cos theta को square cancel, sin square को square a cancel. So what is left over? Minus sin theta by cos theta is left over. So that is nothing but this is equals to minus tan theta. Okay. Now first find out the slope of the tangent. The question is asking you to find out the slope of the normal. Slope of the normal find out करना है, slope of the tangent find out करो, and minus 1 by slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the normal. So slope of the tangent is equals to, can you say, dy by dx at theta is equals to pi by 4. So what you will get here? Minus tan theta at theta is equals to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value what? Can anyone say tan pi by 4 value? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So minus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value. Just I am asking
0.
tan pi by 4. Huh? 0. Tan pi by 4 value is 1. Minus 1 you are going to get. So here slope of the normal, whenever you take into consider, slope of the normal is equals to minus 1 by slope of tangent. Tangent का slope से minus 1 by करना है. So minus 1 by slope of the tangent is equals to minus 1. So which is equals to 1. Slope of the normal will be equals to 1. This one. Okay. Did you understand here? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, sixth problem also given to you, x is equals to a minus sin theta, and find out dx by d theta, dy by d theta, and from that you can find out. Seventh question, find the points at the which tangent. So here point you have to find out at which the tangent to the given curve is parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to the x-axis is nothing but at what point? Suppose here this question is nothing but I am going to explain it. This curve will be like this. Suppose at this point a tangent will be there. At this point there will be a tangent. At this point there will be a, sorry, if you take, there will be a tangent like this. Approximately I am saying. Did you get my point here? Different points में different tangents होता है. Now here the question is asking, find the points at which the tangent to this curve, ये curve को tangent होता है ना, different tangent, ये tangent parallel to the x-axis. This tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So that is nothing but if your curve is taken like this, this is a x-axis, this is x-axis if you are taking. Here if it parallel line if you are taking, where it is, suppose here the curve is, this one is tangent, it is touching this. So what is the slope of this one? The slope of the tangent which is parallel to the x-axis is equals to 0. Slope of the x-axis is 0. So slope of the line parallel to the x-axis is also 0. So that is nothing but here you need to find out dy by dx. Dy by dx find out karo. The given equation is what here? Y is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Okay, so find the dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to 3x square minus 6x minus 9. And this tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, this given the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Given tangent is parallel to x-axis. So this is given. Therefore, slope of x-axis is equals to 0. Therefore, slope of tangent is equals to 0. So we are going to get here 3x square minus 6x minus 9 will be equal to 0. So this, for what values of x this is equals to 0, x values you need to find out. X square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So 3 into x minus factorization, if you are doing x minus 3 x plus 1 you will get. So x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 1. So now here, whenever you take into consider, when x is equals to 3, what do you get the y value? When x is equals to 3, what do you get the y value? You have to find out. So x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 implies y is equals to what you get. Here in this you have to substitute the x value as a 3. 3 3 is a 27 minus 3 into 3 square is again 27 minus 9 3 is a minus again 27 plus 7. On simplification you are going to get it as a minus 20, this one. So that is nothing but the point is 3 comma minus 20. At this point, if you draw the tangent to the given curve, that tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Like that, another point also we will get. X is equals to minus 1. If you take y value, you will get another value. And what is y value you are going to get? At that point, it is the tangent. If you draw that, the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you? Sir. So like this, depending upon the situation, find the next 8th question. If you see that, find the point on the curve by x minus 2 and at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining. So here already what is given here? A chord joining the points given. A chord joining the points is nothing but when the 2 points are given, how do you find out the slope of the tangent? 2 points are given means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 will give you the slope of the tangent, the slope of the line joining the 2 points. Now the question is given that is parallel. So 2 lines are, if they are parallel, their slopes are equal. So slope of the line joining the 2 points, whatever it is, the 2 points are given to you. I think you are not getting this one question. I will show it to you. What is the question given to you here? Y is equals to x minus 2 whole square. To this, find the point on this curve. ये curve में point find out करना है at which the tangent is parallel to the chord. So 2 points are given to you. ये दोनों points को join होने वाला line होता है ना, उसको parallel होना है. That is nothing but normally you take into consider graphical representation. I will give you 2 comma 0 means approximately here and 4 comma 4 will be approximately here. ये दोनों को join होने वाला line एक होता है. Let us consider the curve of the x minus 2 whole square. Okay, x minus 2 whole square you may have like this. Approximately I am taking into consider. You will have in a different way because this you are never going to get in the x minus 2 whole square means x whatever you get y you are going to get the positive only. So whenever you get a y positive, the curve will not get here. This one. So x negative, also y is positive you are getting. So that is nothing but curve will not get here in this point. ये पार्ट में नहीं होगा, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट में ही होगा x minus 2 whole square. Now here if you take different lines will be there. This is also one tangent, but this tangent is not parallel to this one. Like this there will be a tangent which is parallel to this one. These two are parallel. Now this point is asking to you to find out. So slope of this line is ये point 4 comma 4 है, this point is 2 comma 0. Slope of this line, how do you find out? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 find out करना. y2 minus y1 is nothing but slope of line joining these 2 points. Slope of line joining these 2 points is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So you are going to get 4 by 2. So that is nothing but slope. इसका slope 2 है तो इसका slope भी 2 होगा ना. So that is nothing but whatever the tangent we are going to find out, its slope is directly given to you. Indirectly given, directly not given. The slope of that line is equals to 2. So what you have to do? Y is given to you. Slope, how do you find out slope of the tangent? Slope of the tangent you will find out by taking dy by dx. Dy by dx you find out for this. And the dy by dx is equals to 2 find out, take. And x value find out करो. कर सकते हैं ना? Did you understand? Or shall I explain to you the complete solution?
Yes, sir.
Ninth one is find the point at this which is tangent is given to you already. Okay, when the tangent is given, see here, tangent it is given to you. Find the point on which the curve is given to you. It's a tangent is given to you. So originally from the given equation, tangent find out करो and this का slope find out करो and the slopes both make it equal. Then you are going to find out the x value. Okay, ninth problem I'll explain to you. You may get confused with that. What do you have to do? The given equation is y is equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Okay, and the given at which tangent is, this is the equation of the curve. This is the equation of given curve. This is given curve. So what is a given curve? Y is equals to x cube. And the equation of the tangent find out करना है तो dy by dx you have to find out. Dy by dx is equals to 3x square minus 11 you will get. Equation of tangent to the given curve is given. Given tangent is y is equals to x minus 11. Its slope is, इसका slope क्या है? Can you say? Y is equals to mx plus c form में है. This is. So the coefficient of x is m. M is nothing but slope. So what is the coefficient of x here? 1. So the slope is 1. तो इसका slope भी 1 है. So that is nothing but 3x square minus 11 is equals to 1. From this 3x square is equals to 12. X square is equals to 4. X is equals to plus or minus 2. So x is equals to 2 you take. Therefore y value find out karo. X is equals to minus 2 you take and find out the y value. So here whatever the y value will get x and y values, that is a 1 point, and another point you are going to get 2 points. At these 2 points you are going to have the line will be parallel to the x-axis. X-axis not line whose slope is equals to minus 1. 2 points में slope parallel होता है. How it is possible sir? 2 points में कैसे possible होता है sir? Suppose if you consider that equation is given to you, you may have the curve like this also. See here, one line is given to you like this. This is the y is equals to, and another curve you are having like this. So here if you draw the one line parallel हो सकता है. Here if you draw the line parallel हो सकता है. So different ये another point है, ये another point है. Curve may be in any way ना. Just I am giving the one rough idea to you with this figure. So 2 points at 2 points how it is possible? At this point it is, these slopes are equal. At this point this line is parallel to this one. So 2 points is possible. This is 1 point, this is another point. Like I said, x is equals to 2 means y is equals to some point, you will get it. Okay? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one is 10th question. Find the equation of the lines. Whether you are all having a textbook in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keep the textbook in front of you. So question, if it is given to you in that, so that it is an easy task to you. Otherwise, a little bit difficult to you to understand. So find the equation of the lines having the slope -1 and that are tangent to the curve. Equation of the lines having a slope -1. Equation of the lines having minus that are tangent to the curve. So equation find out karna hai. First I told you na how to find out the equation. Slope is given to you. When the slope is given to you, point you are going to get. When the slope is given to you, point you are going to get. Here the question is given to you. Just rough idea I'll give. Y is equals to 1 by x minus 1. Its slope to the tangent is given. That is nothing but dy by dx is equals to -1 is given to you. So dy by dx, what do you get here? -1 by x minus 1 whole square is equals to -1 is given. So from this you are going to get x minus 1 whole square is equals to plus 1 you are going to get, and x minus 1 is equals to plus or minus 1. So what you are going to get here from this, x is equals to, you may get 2 or you may get 0. So x is equals to 2 means y is equals to 1. So the point is 2 comma 1. Okay, so at this point you need to find out the equation of a tangent. Previously the problem is that here you found the points only. Now this equation is asking to you, you are having a slope and a point. When the slope and point is there, slope point form of the equation of a line is what here? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. This is slope point form of the line. So here the point is, this is x1, this is y1, and slope is -1. So there is nothing but m is equals to -1. So that you substitute here, y minus 1 is equals to slope is -1, x minus 2. So what do you get here? Y minus 1 is equals to minus x plus 2. So you are going to get x plus y minus 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of a one tangent. Another tangent, 0 you take x value, x is equals to 0 implies y is equals to what you get? 1 by, इधर 0 substitute करो, 0 minus 1. Here y equal to 1 कैसे आया? इधर से. Don't get confused that. And you are sometimes you are getting confused that y equal to 1 किधर से आया? ये 1 ले लिया, ये 1 ले लिया बोल के सोचता है. x equal to 2 substitute in this. करो में substitute करो. So another y value will get. In the same way, x equal to 0 substitute here in this. Y equal to, you are going to get -1. So 0 comma -1 is also one point of contact. So like this only, as you found the equation, you find out the equation. Here also, for this also you have to take the slope as a -1. That's all. Did you understand here? How do we find out the equation of a line, equation of a tangent, equation of a normal also will be like that only. All the questions are very simple questions here, not very difficult questions, but so many questions are given to you here. 11th question, you see, find the equation of a line having a slope 2. Slope is 2, which is a tangent. Slope is given to you. Equation of a line having a slope, same. 10th and 11th both are same only. At 12th problem, whenever you find the equation of all lines having the slope 0, slope 0 is asking. Dy by dx finding only difficult to you here. The equation is given to you, y is equals to 12. The problem also you can do it. 13th one is, yes, the equation is given to you in a little bit different way. So from here onwards, the problems will be, some problems will be difficult problems. These are all we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.